Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We have our December eyeshadow palette giveaway. I need to change out my background, waiting for my husband to come home, and then I'll do it tonight. So that's why we're still fall for the first day of December. I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So what we are giving away for the month of December, it is such a fun palette, is the Juvis Place AfroGalactic. I love these two shades right here in particular. You know I love a duochrome. They're so nice. And that's also what I have on my eyes today. You guys, I have been loving this palette. I found it on the Juvis Place website. I think it was like $30, $35. It is such stunning. I have a brand new one for you. So all the looks, all the swatches, everything is going to be done on my palette. Okay, brand new one though for you, not swatched, nothing. So what Juvis Place says about it is AfroGalactic palette is a beautiful splash of innovative duochromatic pearls and pigments that burst into the world full of Afro delight, sophistication, and pleasantries. So we're going to do a couple swatches, do some looks, let you know my thoughts on it, what all you need to do to enter. One of the biggest things is be subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I really want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. Just saying. And I'm filming another one today, besides this one. So we've got two filming today. Okay, here is what she looks like on the inside. So stunning. I do like how you can do, just go down the row and do a complete look. Very easy to do. You could very easily do like a neutral one with this side of the palette. You want the fun, colorful side? Go over to this side. So let's start with this row here first. Galaxy. Spiral. This is one of those duochromes. Moonlight. And Bellana. Okay, let's do this purple row. Orbit. Horizon. It's really pretty kind of glitter shade. Wakanda here is my favorite shade in this palette. It is what is all over my lids today. And Iris. This Stars here is such a cool shade. It's like a berry black with a B with a berry. Like it's a super deep berry toned, like almost black shade. It's a kind of a satin shade. Discovery is another satin. Light and Mars are both mattes. So that's Stars. This is Discovery, Light, and Mars. So Middle Earth switches between like a gold and a copper shimmer. You have Spirit, which is a little bit more of like a glitter. But Spirit is so pretty. You can easily do a one and done look with Spirit. And then Mulverse is this mustard yellow. And Alien is kind of this glitter periwinkle type color. So you have Mother Earth, Spirit, Multiverse, Alien. Ancestors here switches from a green to a kind of copper stone type color. Solar is this taupe matte. Aurora is this kind of forest green shimmer. And Supernatural is this forest green, really creamy matte. So we have Ancestors, Solar, Aurora, and Supernatural. Okay, let's get into a couple of the looks. So I think what I want to do, instead of doing just like a straight up purple look, is trying to incorporate this one and this shade and kind of do like more of a bluish look. I do want to start out with this Solar, this one right here. I'm going to take it on a rougher 36. Love this for hooded eyes. Loading up both sides of the brush and putting it in to the crease. And also turning it around so it can get the upper portion. And just do a little bit of blending. I do want to go on iris here in the outer corner. Definitely has a purple lean to it. It's going to be really simple across the top. Do horizon here in the outer portion, and then take Alien here in the inner portion. I do kind of just want to sweep across that and bring up just a little bit of the glitter, because I do have hooded eyes. Both of these shades are pretty glittery. And then I do want to go back into Solar here, take that on the lower lash. Sorry, somebody started there doing leaves outside in a neighbor's house, if you can hear them. And then just for fun, I do want to go into Spirit here and put that in the very inner corner and kind of the tear duct. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I think I kind of want to do a copper look today, concentrating on this one, especially this one that kind of switches between that green to a pinky salmon type color. I think it'll be really pretty. Somebody tell me please I'm not gonna regret putting this orange up here. We will see. It is Galaxy. I just grabbed a little bit and I'm putting it on very, very lightly. So it's not as intense as I feared, which I'm glad at. Let's put a little of that on the lower lash as well, starting in the outer corner and working our way in. I do kind of want to dip into this red here. Put a little bit of that on the outer corner. And everything I'm doing, I am going in with a very, very light hand so that these rich pigments, so that it's not super pigmented. So my camera went berserk on me. What I did do, this is crazy. I'm just having a day with my camera today. It's being on the fritz. I did take this one here in the outer third. I took this one here on the inner third, and I took this one here in the very center tear duct, kind of right in there. Let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I really want to play with this shade right here, this switch. Can you see that? The teal to purple. I really want to play with that. Okay, let's start off first with Solar here in the crease. Taking it on my Rougher 36, loading it up on both sides of the brush, and going in deep into the crease. I have deep set hooded eyes. So that's why I love this brush, because I can really get in there. I also want a tight line kind of right by the lashes, on the lower lashes, that Solar as well. Starting at the outside, connecting that to the upper, and then bring whatever's left in. And I do want to take this kind of purple orbit here on the outer portion of the lid. And I really just want this one to be the star of the show. So this is what is going all over the lid. I just love this shade. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of that same shade just right in the tear duct and a little bit on the lower lash inner corner. Then I want to put just the tiniest dot of Alien here right in the very inner corner. Like right in the tear duct, basically. Just kind of over the top of that other one. You see the difference? Just a little shimmer there. Let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So which look was your favorite? I think mine is this one. It was so easy to do. And I love the shift, the pink, the purple. It's kind of my jam. How about you? Which look was your favorite? What is going on with you? How was your guys' Thanksgiving? Mine is full of family and friends and just the way that you want it. Except for the fact that we're the ones hosting. We're the ones that always host. Just putting it out there. But it's okay. I like doing it. I don't know if my husband likes doing it as much as I do, but I like to. What'd you guys think of the palette? I mean, there's so many different looks that you could do with this palette. I love the Juvis Place formula. It lasts all day. It is truly amazing. And their shimmers are to die for. The multi-chromes are amazing. Secret word of the day is December. So do you guys want to win your very own one of these? I know you do. So there's a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the Google form. Fill out the Google form. Only fill it out once and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did actually do them, because I do check and you guys don't want to get disqualified. So your first way is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your social media accounts, your friends, family. It really helps out the channel grow when you guys do that. And I wanted to say thank you guys so much because it really means the world to me when you do. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. I do want to draw your attention to 2 of those items just because it's this time of year. If it's lost in transit, I'm not responsible for. And I didn't mean to flip you guys off there. And if something is damaged, because I'm not responsible, it will leave here in pristine condition. What happens in the mail, I don't know. And I say that as I love my brother, who's a mailman, but you just never know what happens. So let's have this giveaway go through January 3rd. Happy New Year. And happy birthday to my mother. That is her birthday, is January 3rd. So we'll have it go through January 3rd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then hopefully sometime that next week, what I will do is from all the Google forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and mail out those prizes. I do delete those forms after I mail out the prizes. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just the fairest, easiest way so that there's not like scammers involved and everything else for me to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. I want to say a happy early birthday, because like in 3 days, I'm hoping this goes up on the 1st. On the 4th is my son's birthday. I only have one child. My son's birthday and also my dad's birthday. He was born on my dad's birthday. So happy birthday to both of you guys. I love you. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!